Hey, Charlie. Charlie.
Oh.
Charlie's got the hiccups. Baby.
Maybe now she fed because when I was laying down with you at the first. What time is it? 12:50.
Hey, baby. Oh, no.
These are good labels. It has a section for everything I need to put down.
She hates having the hiccups.
What?
She hates having the hiccups.
Are you recording her?
Mm-hmm.
So nobody likes having hiccups. Hello.
You get hiccups all the time now, baby. What's up with that? What's up with that?
She'll stop crying in a moment. She just ate, and she ate, I would say, pretty well.
She's gonna go back to sleep right now.